Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and all of my dear friends. I recognize the call of class 8D, participated in the science exam 2022-23 of school Kendra Vidyalaya Barakpur ASS. First of all, I must thank Science Exhibition organization who has given a chance to students to enrich their talent and intelligence. I must also thank my guide teacher, that is Amrita Anand sir, who has informed me about it. So now let us talk about a project. So my project's name is Smart Dustbin. This is the first part of the solid waste management. So this project consists of three parts. That is the smart dustbin first, which will be sending the message to the organization. Then the filtration part, which will filter the dirty water, and then the giving that filtered water to the soil. So now let us talk about the first part. This first part consists of ultrasonic sensor, Node MCU, SIM900 GSM module, and U6M GPS module. So this is the part which will be first of all sensing the waste. In my waste I have used dried waste, so not the waste, the situation a clumsy one. This is the dry waste. This will be sensors to the ultrasonic sensor, and then it will be sending the message. So now let us give a demo of this first part. So when it will sensing this garbage, then the message will be coming to see. Time is 9:19 and the messages came. When I will be opening it, it will be showing the location too. So the location I am doing in my house, that is the location of my house. So now let us come to the second part. The second part consists of three filtration stages. First is limestone and sand. Second is gravel and charcoal. And third is gravel and sand. The dirty water is see the color of this dirty water. So I will be giving it to you and let it be do this filter. The filtration has started. First we will filter the limestone and sand. And now see, after that this filtration stage, it will be coming to the gravel and charcoal one. The drop by drop it is falling. It will take time, but so after that it will be done. See, it has come to the gravel and sand one too, and the water has started to fall also from here. So limestone is used to maintain the pH level of this whole water, because it contains acid and base. To maintain the pH level, limestone is used, and sand is used to separate the sedimented unused things of that, and gravel is used for the absorption and the taking of the floating impurities, and charcoal is used to clean the organic waste, and then again the sand. The water, see the water color, it is wholly filtered, full filtered water. And this whole water take a lot of time to fall. Let it be fall, and now we will come to the third part of it. So this is the third part organized. This is the battery which will give the power to the pump. This is the Node MCU which I have used another one to give the power to this one also. This is the module which is giving the soil moisture sensor. This is used to sense the moisture of the soil, and when the moisture will be more than 4000 level, then it will be the pump will be started, and when it will be below the 2000 level, then the pump will be stopped. Filtered water has been done. To fast the process, I will be giving the clean water because it will take a lot of time. So to give the power to the pump, I am turning on the battery. See, the pump has started. And the water has started to fall because this has low moisture level, and when I will be giving it to the higher moisture level, so I think and I will giving to this one, the water one. See, the pump has stopped, which means that when the soil will be having higher moisture level, then this soil moisture sensor will be sensing it and turning off the pump, and when it have the low moisture level, like this one, it will be starting again. See, it started. So this is my whole project on the topic of smart dustbin. I will be turning off this one because the battery will get all the power. Thank you.